Patrick Griggs with Black Sheep Creative, and we're based out of Austin, Texas. We started with a speed marker. We do deep engraving on metal, and then we added a second speed marker, then we added a Speedy 400, and now we have a Speedy 360 that we just added. We laser engrave for a bunch of different manufacturers in all different industries. Primarily we laser with our Galvo fibers, we'll laser firearms. So we'll be lasering slides for Glocks, slides for 2011s or other type of pistols. We'll be laser engraving people's names or birthdays, or if it's a present, we'll do that into the gun. On the CO2 side, we'll laser wood, plastics, acrylic. We do a lot of polymer grips for firearms manufacturers. So we do a lot of sort of bulk, large scale projects, but we use them sort of on a little bit of everything. I did a lot of research online on forums and just talking to, sort of reading about what people were satisfied with sort of post-purchase, and if the support was there and what the software was like. And for us, it was really about the support and the quality of the software. And I read like a lot. I think one of the forums we read on was Saw Creek that has a bunch of people that use this type of equipment, and people spoke very highly of Trotec, so it made it easy for us. The support has been incredible. They always answer the phone or they call you right back. And then the software and the repeatability of the designs and the things that we do, which is critical, it's 100% repeatable as opposed to the other one.